Hello again. Today I'm going to continue working on the old Mustang, but yesterday I worked on the cowl. Today I'm going to take it a little easier. Some stuff that has to be done, but it's pretty mind-numbing, so I can just take my mind off of everything. But today I'm going to clean up around the back window to see what I need to replace and probably start cleaning up so that I can zip off this quarter panel here on the driver's side, so stick around. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do is take these crappy speakers out in this back package tray. I think I'm going to have to replace it. If you see in the corners, they're like all wet, eaten, degraded shit. So I'm going to take these out, and then I'm going to take the package tray out. So once I got the speakers out and I took the package tray off, look what I got. It's like maybe padding. I don't know what they were trying to do, but I got some rust in the corner here, and it looks like there's some rust over there. So it's a good thing I took it out. We'll fix that. Not like it's a structural part of the car, but it'd be good to just get rid of the rust. And it appears that they're using bread ties to hold up their speaker wires, which is an interesting method. But they did seal the plate that separates basically the firewall between the trunk and the interior of the car. They did seal it with some kind of caulking. Ooh, there's a roll of electrical tape too down there. This thing keeps paying for itself. I think I'm gonna throw it away though. It looks pretty nasty. Yeah, the more I find, or the more I take apart, the more issues I find, which is sort of what I expected, but look at that down underneath. So, you know, if Ford would have just taken their time and like e-coated the whole car or something, imagine how much better things would be nowadays. So, next thing is I'm gonna put my respirator on and turn on my fan and try and blow as much of this dust out of the building, which is why I turned the car around, so I can clean up around and look at the spot welds on this package tray, see how bad it really is, etc., etc. So that's what I'm doing next. And just for everybody's knowledge, I ordered both fenders, or both quarter panels, both of these drip rails. I already got the back piece, and I brought the 3-piece trunk kit. So that's why I'm really pushing to get the cowl done. But, you know, I got her welded up. I just got to set her in. But today is, you know, not feeling it today. So I'm going to do some easy stuff just to keep making progress. And we'll go from there. So I got it stripped down, and it doesn't look too bad now that I got it stripped down. Got a hole here, and a little bit of pinholing down there. So I'm gonna wipe it off and hit it with some primer, just so it doesn't get rustier. It already is. And then from there, whoa, that was way too much. Then from there, we'll go from there. But yeah, that was a hell of a too much on there. Get this lid to go on there. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe this down with grease and wax remover, and then I'm gonna hit it with some primer, and then we'll move on to something else. And then as you can see, yeah, the pinhole on this is actually in the fender section. And I'll have to do some more stripping along the gutter there. But it doesn't look like anything else is in where the window sits either. So I think I might have dodged a bullet. But, you know, it is what it is. And I'll be able to cut this stuff out and just patch it. But they sure had a lot of Bondo on this, and it's got like some, I wonder if it was in like a hailstorm or something, but you know, who knows. So we'll go from there. All right, here we go. See how this stuff does. You know, I'm just putting this on to, it's self-etching primer. I had it pretty much down to bare metal. I'm probably going to take it back down to bare metal, so I'm using the just a regular old spray can from, I don't know where I got this. I might have got it from Farm and Fleet, or I mean Tractor Supply, but we'll see. And then you can easily see where I got to cut it out and repair it. But I like the idea of just repairing it, because that way I won't have to cut it loose from both well, I got to cut it loose from both fenders so I can get the fender off, but I don't have to take that whole assembly for the hinges and everything off. That'll be a good base to work from. I'm going to turn you off and keep doing this, but I got to turn the fan on. All right, so I got that stripped down, got an etch primer on it. Next step is I'm going to try and clean this up so I can see where my spot welds are. Try and get this cleaned up, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to replace this fender. It's probably got like 14 pounds of Bondo in it, as we saw from the other day when I was trying to just push it out. And these guys seem to have a knack for putting Bondo over rust. So I'm going to put my respirator back on, and I'm going to try and grind down right here, and we'll go from there. As I'm going along, grinding this out, trying to find where the actual tail panel ends, I got down to here, this side that got hit, and grinding through the Bondo, and look at that, it's got a Phillips screw. I don't know what else I'm going to find, but I'll just keep on going and we'll go from there. But I'm finding all the spot welds, so I can drill those out, no problem. But I'm just waiting to see what's actually down here. that's where I'm gonna call it for today. Like I said, I was taking it easy today, but I got all of the spot welds located. Sort of got this cleared off, but this is just an abortion. So yeah, it's all coming off. So alrighty, there we go. And that, which is dirty now, was clean and stripped down to bare metal and put some edge primer on there. So we're good right there. Next weekend is the weekend before Christmas, so hopefully I can get a bunch done over Christmas. I don't think we have any plans of going anywhere because of the good old COVID. So this is where I'm stopping for today, but we're gonna keep on trucking.